sonrisa, será tu sonrisa.
Hi guys, so super excited today because today's gonna be a giveaway, but I'm gonna be showing you guys a look, and I haven't done a look on my channel in maybe like 2 months, guys. Crazy, freaking crazy. Like, what? You know, the last time I was here, so I don't know if I'm gonna continue with YouTube, but then I got all sad because I like YouTube. It's just that, you know, I'm going broke, but whatever. Let's just go broke together. So yeah, today, I'm going to be, like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys a look only on my eyes. As you noticed that I already did my eyebrow. As you noticed, did you notice? I don't know how to say it. As you notice. As you notice, my eyes are already done. My face is partially done. I have some foundation on. By the way, I just for the first time tried out the Tarte foundation, the Amazonia clay. Am I saying it right? So far, it looks so pretty on. Let's see what happens throughout the day because I'm gonna keep it on, obviously. But it's so pretty so far. So we'll see. Anyways, that's not why we're here today. We're here because I'm doing a giveaway, and I already started the giveaway on my Instagram. They have a heads up. You guys know that Instagram is my main platform. Unfortunately for you guys are my second, just because it's a little easier to go on to Instagram. So if you guys are following me from Instagram, then you already know. If you're not, you guys, please do so, okay? It goes like back and forth. I was gonna quit YouTube, but I'm not. I'm like here. Like, I say it, but I just don't know how to quit because I freaking love it. So it is what it is. Maybe a month from now I'll say I'll quit and then I won't quit. I don't know, but I have a giveaway. So the giveaway is, dun, dun, dun. That sounds stupid. Is a Sultry Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's so beautiful, guys. Oh my god, I'm super excited about it. And so I bought 2. Where's the other one? It's down here. Hold up. See, I bought 2. So this is empty because I already took it out, and then this is the one that you guys want to have, or somebody. One winner. I wish I was rich and I could just buy everybody, but again, I'm going broke. Instead of me buying one thing, I buy 2 things because I think about you guys. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Paint Me Pretty Cynthia A. I'm a little wacky. Sometimes I can't even freaking talk, but that's me. And if you're my loyal subscribers, hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for sticking by and not really knowing what's going on with my channel. I'm still posting once a week, so you can't fault me on, you know, not posting. I'm just not posting as frequently as I was in the past. So if you guys want to watch what I do with this palette, like on my eyes, then please, please stay tuned. Please stay tuned. Please stay tuned. Please stay tuned. I'm super excited, guys, and I'm sorry if it gets on your nerves. I don't know what to tell you, but today I'm like super excited. I love to do giveaways, you know? I mean, I don't like my bank account, but I do but I do like to do giveaways. Okay guys, so if you guys want to watch this video, then please stay tuned. Okay guys, I am like obsessed with the colors in this palette. They're pretty much very neutral, and that is pretty much my cup of tea. Sure, I don't know what I'm gonna create, but obviously it's gonna be neutral. Oh my god, it's so pretty, isn't it? Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this palette. It's so neutral. Oh my god, you guys know I like my neutral colors. Maybe you guys get tired of my neutral colors on my Instagram, but I don't know, it's just me and neutrals, we work together. That's funny. Okay, shut up, Cynthia. Alright guys, so I already carved out my eyebrows, and I already put a little bit of translucent powder on top. However, I'm going to put a little bit more just to make sure that I put enough. So I'm going to put the first one on here all over my lid. Make sure, because we do not need any patchiness on my eyes, and trust me, I've done that before. Where's my mirror? That's where I'm looking all around because I can't find my mirror. Oh my god, guys. Anastasia has a mirror. Oh, mess. Let me just take it, this little paper out. I sound so crazy. I'm not really like this in person. I'm pretty, well, I can be, but if you first meet me, I'm a little bit down to earth, and then all of a sudden it explodes. So once I get to know you, okay, just letting you know. So if you meet me the first time, you're like, she's not like that, like in person, you know, she's not like crazy in person, but you gotta get to know me a little bit more. Like I gotta get to know you, and then see if I can just be crazy. I hope this video is not too long. Alright guys, so just, you guys know, all over the lid, make sure when you put concealer on to carve out those eyebrows, you have to put a light powder on, or light eyeshadow on, or your translucent powder, otherwise you're going to look patchy, like your colors are going to come out patchy. I never understood that until I made a mistake. Now don't get me wrong, I do sometimes put a color on top of a concealer if I'm gonna like do a cut crease or something like that. Then that's okay if you're not blending. But if you're blending, put a freaking translucent powder on top or light color. Okay.
Give me everything now. For all we know, we might not get tomorrow. Let's do it tonight.
Okay guys, so moving on, I'm going to be using the color Birch. Birch is this one right here. I'm trying not my...
What?
I'm trying my best not to talk too much because I talk too much and then my videos are 20 minutes long and then you guys are like, delete. I hate her. I'm not gonna watch her. You know, and I'm, you know, kind of close to 3,000 subscribers, so you guys can, somebody out there can get that whole freaking box of like stuff. So windshield wipers all the way in, guys. Windshield wiper back and forth. You can bring it out. Maybe I shouldn't do that because I already have foundation on, but if you don't have foundation on, bring it all the way out. And yeah, that's all I do good. Nothing else. Just windshield wiper, and that's, you know what that means, right? Okay guys, so moving on, I'm going to actually, before I even continue, I think that I'm going to do this look more for like beginners, just because it's so neutral and a lot of people have been asking me, can I please do a beginner's easy type of look? So this palette is so neutral and I can kind of play with a whole bunch of colors here, but I'm going to keep it simple. So whoever asked me, I forget who asked me to please do a neutral, like an everyday look, that's what I'm going to do. I just decided to just like right now. Plus, I don't want this video to be too long, okay? Because my last video, like I said, it was like
789 minutes long.
Alright, so let me use this Murphy 514, M514. I used to love them, but for some reason, I hate them now, but I'm still going to use them. Excuse me, I have a tickle in my throat. Excuse me. I don't know, they don't, I'm going to use them because I don't have anything else that, clearly I still like them, but they kind of spread a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if my camera can focus. See how it's spreading out? Can you guys, I hope you guys can tell. You see how it's spreading out? That freaking annoys the shit out of me, and I think that it really is affecting on how I'm applying my eyeshadow, but I'm gonna have to go to MAC and maybe, or Sigma. I have Sigma brushes, but I don't have one kind of like this. I have to go to MAC and figure it out. See if I can get an eyeshadow. I don't know, I keep looking down. And get an eyeshadow brush that maybe is like similar to this. I don't know. It used to be my favorite, but after like washing it so many times, and I have like 3 of these, but they all did the same thing.
Dystopian.
Okay guys, so the next color that I'm going to be using is called Dystopian, and maybe you already saw it. I had to look it up because
I did not know how to pronounce it.
no one here is saying that I know how to pronounce every and no one here is saying that I am the smartest one in the whole wide world.
I'm not.
But I do correct myself all the time because I don't want anybody to think I'm stupid, because I'm not. It's just shit happens. You're not perfect on everything. I'm great with makeup, but sometimes pronouncing and spelling stuff,
Oh my god.
it is like a challenge because I know 2 languages, and even if I didn't, who cares? I don't know how to spell 100%. Okay, I make sure I always get spelled. Okay. I know it too. You don't have to let me know you misspell something.
No, because I'll go back and like, whoops, that is not right.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be using Dystopian next, and is this brown one right here. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little bit of circular motion, right? I hope I don't, you know what I want to do? I'm going to put a little bit of translucent powder right down here, so if any of this darkness falls, I can just brush it off. So give me a second. I just put It Cosmetics translucent powder, and it works really well, but it makes me cough. There's something in the powder that makes me cough. I don't know what it is. It's weird. Anyways, let's continue. Circular motion, windshield wipers. Circular motion, windshield wipers. And you guys, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure before you put the eyeshadow, so you tap your eyeshadow or your brush onto the eyeshadow. Don't do this. I used to do that. Just tap it, and then before you go straight to your eye, make sure you take that excess eyeshadow off. Otherwise you'll have more fallout down here, even though I'm not really experiencing much of fallout, but just for any palette that you use, you want to take some of that eyeshadow off. Then I'm going to slowly put some of that eyeshadow in, you know, my lid. Go back to the brush that you first started with the translucent powder and the first eyeshadow. The first eyeshadow was called Birch. Whatever's left over on that brush, go like right above the color that's Dystopian, I hope I'm saying it right, the second color, and kind of blend it in a little bit, and then tap it into Birch again and go above, because sometimes as you're blending you take some of the other eyeshadows off, so you want to go back so you can see a contrast. It looks so good and it looks very natural, and I think that you guys will be able to duplicate this, you know. Alright guys, so I'm just going to use cinder, very little cinder, like right in my inner corner of my eyes, nothing too crazy. Like I said, I kind of want to base this on my beginners. I hope that you guys don't mind. So I'm going to try to use this match brush. You can see. Oh, I hope you can. This actually looks really good, guys. I'm very surprised because I only used a flat brush. I didn't wet my brush, so I'm very surprised because usually this type of eyeshadow, like the metallic, you need a finger or you need to wet your brush. I didn't have to wet my brush, so yeah. Alright guys, so I think I want to go back to Fresh and put it on my eyebrows a little bit just to kind of lighten that, not my eyebrows, my brow bone, to kind of brighten up my brow bone, but I may put a highlighter on there as well, but for now I'm going to put that brush just on top, just a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm going to put a little bit of the Tarte mascara, since I have Tarte foundation on right now, and I'm not talking about it yet, like if I like it or not. I mean, I did talk about it in the beginning, but you know what I mean. Just don't know if I like it or not. I mean, it looks really good, but you never know how it looks tonight. But I'm going to use this mascara by Tarte. It's actually a sample size. I got it for free. This is called Man Eater. I've had it before and I really liked it. So I'm going to just use it for today. Since I already have the foundation on, why not go into Tarte, you know? This mascara is super good. I forgot how good it was. I did tell you guys that it was good, but holy shit. I also like their mascara that is in the purple container. So good. If you were wondering which mascara I like better between the Tarte and the NARS, I'm gonna say Tarte, guys. The new NARS is really good. The red one, it's called Climax, but I gotta tell you guys that I really like Tarte mascaras. This is really good. If you're gonna explore for like something, the Tarte is better. Sorry. Okay guys, so I did do my wing and I'm going to do my lashes off camera. If you guys want to see in the future how I'm creating my wing liner and also putting on my falsies. And also guys, I've been contouring a little bit different. If you want to see a video tutorial on how I've been doing those three, let me know and I will be more than happy to create a video. Just let me know if you want me to create that type of video. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to put my falsies on off camera and then continue with my bottom, like underneath my waterline with the eyeshadow. Alright guys, I have my wing on. I did get a little bit of glue up on here, so I'm waiting for that to dry. So then I'll show you guys how to remove that if you get glue on your lid without messing up your eyeshadow. Okay, so you have to let it dry, so don't touch it. Sometimes I get tempted to touch it before it dries and then I fuck everything up. Just wait till it dries. Okay guys, so I'm going to move on to underneath my waterline and I'm going to get a flat brush so I can slowly, ever so slightly, put some eyeshadow underneath there because I do already have concealer there. So I'm going to try my best not to get all messy and shit. Alright guys, so I'm going to use Birch first with my flat brush by La Alamar. And then second, Dystopian. I hope I'm pronouncing it right because I didn't feel like going back to the dictionary. Didn't feel like it. Listen. Okay guys, I really do try, okay? But if I fuck up, I fuck up. Listen to the door. Okay. Oh my god, I see all my wrinkles here. That is not good. So what you do is first you're going to go to Birch and you're going to tap your brush. Then take some of the excess out. I don't know what's wrong with me. And then I'm kind of sideways. I hope you guys can see. Just tap right underneath your waterline, and then go all the way in. But start in your outer corner first, and then go up like in. This brush kind of hurts a little bit. Like it's like pointy.
Daily place starts in my toes, and I can't pull my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know.
If you guys didn't know what the hell I was doing, I was just removing the glue off my lid. And then of course you're gonna have a little bit of like kind of like a space where like, I don't know, a spot, because you did remove a little bit of the eyeshadow as well. So go back to the color that you have on your lid, that's Distofina. And then just go on the crease and just, you know, do windshield wiper so you can get that color back. But you want to go back to the second, even though I didn't have any glue on here, you just want it to be even, so you want to put a little bit of the leftover on the second eye. The eye that didn't have the glue, you know, just trying to still make it even. I hope that makes sense. Alright guys, so moving on. Now I'm going to be using Morphe M562. That's the same brush that I used up here to do the crease. Whatever eyeshadow you have left over from Distofina, I'm never going to remember that word. I'm just going to ever so slightly brush right underneath my waterline, underneath the first color, Birch. So yeah, if you do need a little bit of like more eyeshadow, because I already used some on here, you can tap very little on the Distofina and ever so slightly brush, you know, on the outer corner and up where the wing is at. I have two Pixie liners, but I can't find either of them. Of course I can't, so I'm going to use my LA, because you guys know I love Pixie, but I also like my LA liner, so yeah. It tickles though. Not forget to put the liner up on your tight line, guys, because you don't want to see your falsies, and like you don't want to see that separation. It looks funny. You want to just like kind of seal everything in. Woo, it does tickle though. Okay guys, so I pushed my hair back because I put setting spray on and my hair's straight, and whenever I put setting spray on, my hair looks like a dog licked me, so that's why I pushed my hair back, but I'll let it go in a minute. Alright, so I'm going to put mascara. I always put setting spray before I put my mascara on my bottom lashes, otherwise I look like a raccoon after. I'm sure you guys go through it too, so put your setting spray before you put mascara on your bottom lashes. Y'all, and where is my mascara? Oh, get it. Okay guys, so that is it for my video. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is go into Gleam. I will link Gleam underneath. You have to subscribe to my channel here first, of course, if you're not already a subscriber. Go into Gleam and enter on there, and then head on over to my Instagram, and on my Instagram just find a picture of the Sultry palette and then follow the directions there. So that is it. Please comment in this video as well. It's not mandatory, but I really like to hear from you guys. Did you guys like this video? Besides that is the giveaway. Did you like the video? Did you not like the video? You can be as honest as you want. Like, I'm okay with you being honest. I'm not gonna get mad at you. I'm actually probably gonna understand why you didn't like something, so it's okay. So with that said, guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please thumbs it up, please comment, and please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share my video, let everyone know that I'm doing a giveaway and about me, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I upload, you guys will get your first notification that I'm here and I did a video for you guys. So with that said, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys again within 2 to 3 days, hopefully. If not, you'll see me next Monday. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.